What's up, guys? It's your boy D Brooks. We're at the car show. Finally made it to the good guys this year. I did not bring the Regal. It is running. It barely was running last night. Well, it's running. I barely got it done last night, but I decided I didn't want to rush and try to bring it up here. So I want to have it ready for my tuning session, which is going to be on the 20th. But yeah, let's take a look at these cars, man. Oh, what's up, bro? What's going on, bro? Hey, it's
no wrestling today? Dad gave you the day off?
They wanted to get that hard workout in.
All these cars here, none of this is my favorite.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm over here for. It's good to see you guys.
All these millions and millions of dollars. Ronnie's like, you know him?
Yeah, I've met him. Well, I haven't met him in person.
Oh, okay.
We've talked on the phone a couple times.
Car shows and shit.
But yeah, isn't this pretty cool, DeWandre?
What time did you guys get here?
We just got here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're leaving.
You're leaving already? You guys
already put in 10 miles.
Yeah, you didn't run today, right?
No. We walked the whole show a couple times already.
Yeah? When you gonna get that Cadillac up here?
I know. I need to get it to him.
Yeah, this is the guy, man.
Him in about $80,000 though.
Yeah.
I gotta put about 80 grand in to the deal.
Today's prices, yeah. All right, brother, I see.
Probably bring the Impala down here. I mean,
yeah?
It would fit in all right. One day I might. We took it out cruising last night.
Yeah?
Around all the hotels. Up around Flair, Crosswoods, 161.
Hell yeah. I like those glasses, man.
I bought these here years ago. I got him with them.
Yeah? Those are cool. You get them today?
No, years ago.
Years
we
ago?
come to this every year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are sweet, man.
This is the only car he brought out. He didn't bring his bubble.
Yeah, I know.
Cool. Good to see you guys.
Yep. Let's take it. You like this one? Yeah, it was good seeing you. We'll see you next week. You like that one? Huh?
The part of my teeth is breaking off.
Oh, that's the stuff, the fluoride.
The fluoride that's between my teeth is coming off.
Let me get this real quick.
Wagon, you're gonna have to fall in love with that. I was gonna take a picture of your shirt, send it to Antoine, like you representing out here.
Yeah, I'm representing today.
Let's see more cars.
Okay, it's good seeing you guys.
Love ya.
All right, love you guys. Be good.
Yeah, man. How's it going, bro? You feeling good?
Yeah, man. Just, you know.
I called you and you was like, I just got out the hospital. That was me.
Oh yeah,
I was about the
man.
Ruchis.
I was all tore up, man. I had pulled a muscle, and then ate somebody else's pills I probably shouldn't have ate, and ended up being allergic to them, and it tried to kill me. So yeah, they gave me some steroids. It was bad, man. I was shit about 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I took what are them things called? I thought shit. One of them strong ass drugs. Wasn't a Percocet. It was something like that though. I was in so much pain, man. I was like, give me something. Yeah, I got this. I took it, and my throat swole up. I couldn't breathe. Yeah, I was scared as hell. I was in the hospital like, I did that. Help me out.
It's good to see you here, man.
Oh, yeah,
Safe
man,
and sound. Car looked good. Everything looked good.
I think I saw your channel. What's your name, bro?
D Brooks.
D Brooks on Air 9. Because I think I saw one of your videos. You was going to a junkyard or something.
Yeah, I do
Looking for
junkyard
some stuff. Okay, yeah, okay.
That's probably me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm put a lot of videos out, so
Okay.
I've been to a few junkyards.
Matter of fact, I think you was at a junkyard here.
Yeah.
And from your footage, I saw two. I got a boat tail, so I saw two boat tails in the background. I was like, I need to go there and get some parts.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So the junkyard need to pay me
Yeah, I know, right?
commission.
And that car, cause it's heavy.
This is
But
heavy.
It definitely, yeah. For a low rider, it's fast as hell, but you know, my normal street car is not very fast.
Is it heavy because the batteries or because
It's
of?
a combination of everything, man. You know, the batteries, got 10 batteries, and they're 70 pounds a piece. Pumps are heavy. Every piece of the frame and suspension is reinforced, so everything's got, you know, the frame's got 3/16 steel front to back. All the control arms, 3/16 steel front to back, up, down, everything. What's up, D Gates? What up, man?
I seen him sitting up. I was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I'm gonna find him 1 year.
Yeah.
2 years I couldn't find you. Good. Sorry, I didn't know you guys.
No, you're good, bro. I'm getting all this.
Yeah.
I was
Get
gonna see if.
footage, man.
I
You
was
got a
gonna,
good spot.
Oh yeah, my people, man, they have the great spots, and they invited me over. I'm like, shit, come on.
You got like my dad, my brother,
Yeah,
you got everybody over
the
there.
whole Gates crew.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what's up, man.
do you care to walk me around it real quick?
No.
Real quick. All right, I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm not even gonna say anything. You just kind
What
of
am I doing?
just tell me, you know.
How you doing, my dad?
It's nice to meet you.
Your name in the car.
My name is Ronnie Nutter from Columbus, Ohio. It's my '64 Impala convertible. Z, 13-inch chrome Dayton's 520 tires. Custom paint. It's factory color. It's poly red. Everything in the suspension is chrome, reinforced. It's got a LS2 motor. I can't even remember whose camshaft I don't put in it, man. Somebody's cam in it. I can't even remember. It's been a long time since I built this motor, but runs good. All the accessories, factory interior, because I like factory better than custom. I used to do custom interior dates cars, so I did all factory. You know, custom rag, top color match with the chrome rack, everything done. Full hydraulic setup in the trunk. There you go. High-low piston pump, 8X dumps, front and back, 10 batteries. Sound digital stereo, all Hertz audio inside.
I don't know about this thing.
What's going on, man?
What's
How you
happening,
doing? How you doing?
Looking good.
Thank you,
Looking
man.
good.
How you doing,
Just over
brother?
here doing little videos.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean
You're
to-
good. You're good.
Looking good.
It keeps a crowd.
It does,
That's
man.
One of a
You ever
kind.
heard of Lindsay Acura?
That's one of
I have.
That's Lindsay Acura.
All right, good to meet you.
D Brooks. D Brooks. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I got all my car dealer friends. I got the Rikers over here, and now I got the Lindsay's over here. Yeah.
I got my Lincoln out here.
You got the Lincoln out? Okay.
Yeah, got it out.
Okay. And where'd you work at?
We need to get Stevens fixed up.
Okay.
Well, where are you now?
Right road. Yeah, across the street from him.
Yeah, we need to get that thing down there.
Okay.
We need to get it fixed up.
No problem.
So you want that engine? You don't. I don't want to sell this motor, man.
All I need is the motor.
No, you need the whole chassis. You got to take
What the
that.
hell am I doing?
You put a Honda on, man.
Oh, man.
I mean, you got the whole chassis.
Oh, I don't have.
You got to do something. You can get a motor. This is the whole chassis. Well, you can make that thing so sweet, so
I
stinking
don't know,
clean.
man. That sounds like a whole lot of work.
I've seen a Civic. They did a Civic,
Yeah.
and they put a. It's everything. It's a transmission.
I know it's the whole. I know it's the whole underbody of the pet.
Yeah, that's what I'd like to do.
Yes.
That'd be such a sleeper.
It'd be a lot of work.
Yeah, what do you do, man? This wasn't.
Oh,
this
man.
was a lot of work. What do you mean?
Yeah, I know. I'm getting old, man. Getting tired. I'm running out of steam.
What do you think about that, Judith? That's my grandson.
Oh yeah.
Now your dad needs to get fixed up like this.
But yeah, man. This is a beautiful car.
Thank you, man.
This is Jay Nutter.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for walking around the car with me.
Yeah.
You want to get that picture for Antoine?
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna
I
wrap
want to
this up.
take a picture of you.
Every year I see you here, man. I seen you like what every year.
Yeah, last 2 or 3 years.
Yeah.
I was like, did somebody say Donna?
Yeah.
How you been, dog?
I've been good, man. Remember our neighbor Donovan?
Trotters.
Yeah. Yeah, we see him. I feel like I run into you every year and it's not always the same event. It was like the Dodge car show. It was like it was something else.
Because last year here we were in Mexico on this day last year.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even recognize you. You were standing out there by that car we just walked by.
Yeah.
You guys in my own world. You know, you get
Yeah.
too many people, too many faces, you know.
Yeah, it was good seeing you, bro.
I seen you as always.
Yep. Be safe out here,
I
man.
got a C10 I'm working on here putting LS on.
Okay, well get a hold of me, man. Or you doing it yourself, or?
I got a dude that works with me. He does it.
Okay, well let me know if you need help. Let me know, bro. Yeah. What's going on, bro? Delaware, man. Yeah.
This is my nephew.
That's your nephew?
Yeah.
So your sister's his mom?
No, Nikki.
Nikki?
Her mom.
Okay.
That's his sister. On his hand.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. It's good seeing you guys.